Hi, my name is Robin Sisson, and I want to show you how to create an Excel file that will add your numbers up for you automatically. So I went ahead and I put in month and groceries, and I put all the months of the year that we'll be buying groceries. And this will be right here where we put the amount each month that we spend. Say, example, we start writing in a cell, and you notice that it's not kind of lining up good. All you have to really do is go up here, double click, and it'll make it a little bit bigger. So what I want to do is put a line right here at the underneath December. The easiest way to do this is to left click, drag over, and then I'm going to right click, hit Format Cells, go to Border. I'm going to choose the border I want. I think I just want to do a double line, and I'm going to hit it right there across the bottom. What that does now is if you look away, I have a line that separates my where the addition's going to be. Okay, so because I want to put my cumulative amount right here, there's two ways I can do this. I can hit an equal sign, and then I can put the parentheses here, and I can go, this is right here in box or in row B, so I can say B2 plus B3 plus B4 plus B5 plus B6 plus B7 plus B8 plus B9 plus B10 plus B11 plus B12 plus B13. And then I would close that out. All right. So then I would hit my Enter key and see how it creates a 0. So say I spend $100 here in January, $250 in February, $175 in March. I spend, let's see, $201 in April. May, I spend $200. June, I'm going to spend $120. July, I will spend $250. August, I will spend $350. September, $400. October, $200. November, I'm going to go $400 again, and December, I spent $400. So $3,046. But how do you know that that's right? You can either trust that I did this right, or we can test it by saying 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, and 100. So that changed it to 1,200. So 12 months times 100 is $1,200. So my equation did work. But that was, if you go back in here to this cell, that is a lot to enter in. So an easier way, now if you're doing like different boxes need to add up and be different things, this is a lot easier to do as far as getting it done. But if you're just going to be adding rows, the easiest way to do it is I'm going to delete these off, and I'm going to say equals the sum of, I'm going to put my little mark, and I'm going to say B12 or B2 colon, and it ends on B13. Enter. Once again, $1,200. So this is if you're going to be doing rows, this is much simpler to just say from B2 to B13, I need the sum of all of those. It is a lot quicker, as you could see, for me to enter that than it was to B2, B3, B4. Once again, if you're going to be doing something like if I wanted to add different columns and say first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter was this amount, and then we total over here. You would need to be a little bit more creative in how you're going to be setting up your sums, but this is really the easiest way. Once again, it's equals sum, and then you're going to put in the parentheses B2 colon to B13, and that will give you the total sum of all cells between B2 and B13. Thanks so much, and I hope you learned something. Bye.